Determining whether you should buy a new home or fix up your current home isn't always the easiest decision. In fact, there's so much drama that often surrounds this decision that they're even making hit TV shows about it. One of my favorites is Love It or List It. So if you're considering whether you're going to buy a new home or fix up your current home and you don't know how to decide, here's 3 things that you can consider. So the first thing you can consider is, will a renovation truly fix what you don't like about your property? So let's take a kitchen for example. If you're in a very small kitchen with not enough cupboard space, maybe your family's outgrowing the amount of space you have in your kitchen, maybe a move's right for you. However, if you're just not utilizing the kitchen space effectively, maybe a kitchen renovation will work for you. Maybe adding that extra pantry, a nice island to create a more open concept design. Or if you're like these homeowners and you like the extra space of an additional rec room or an additional bedroom in the basement, then a renovation is often a great solution. And of course, there's some things that you won't necessarily get with renovating your home. So if you're looking to live closer to where you work, you want an easier commute, or perhaps you want to be closer to the nearby park, or maybe your family's growing and you want that extra bedroom for your 2nd or 3rd child. So those are certain things that you can't necessarily renovate, and maybe in those situations a move is best for you. The second thing to consider is, how much will a renovation cost, and how does that compare to how much you would spend on moving or relocating? So one thing to consider is that renovation costs always tend to end up higher than you originally anticipate. And one little habit that homeowners tend to have is increasing the renovation budget and adding things that they didn't originally think they were going to renovate. And just remember, this is a long-term solution. So whether you decide to renovate and add those additional renovation costs, or whether you decide to move, you want to be thinking about the long-term future, because that's where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. So the third thing to consider, beware of compromising versus settling. You definitely don't want to settle for a solution that's less than ideal for you. But you do want to keep in mind that there's always compromise. So for these homeowners, they decided to renovate. They're finishing up the basement, creating a nice beautiful rec room, an additional bedroom down here, and as you can see, they're just about done. The painting's underway. Sam with Bizma Electric is going to come and finish off the lighting. Got to get some flooring in, some trim work, and it's going to be a beautiful basement for these homeowners. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, I'd be happy to have a discussion with you to provide a little bit of my perspective if you're having a difficult time between renovating and finding that new home for you. So thanks a lot for joining me and have a great day.